Today I am going to teach 7th standard max 5th lesson. The topic name is lines and angle. Already I uploaded lines and angle 5.1 exercise. Now I am going to teach 5.2 exercise. Okay, 5.2 exercise. Before I started to the exercise, we need to know some properties. I will explain that. Okay. First sum they given some one diagram. No, we take that diagram. This is angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. This is given. Okay. So first of all, we need to know some properties. No, that is 2 and 6. These two angles are corresponding angle. And then 3 and 8. These two angles are corresponding angle. At the same time, 1 and 5 are corresponding angle. 4 and 7 are corresponding angle. Okay. So, inside the line some angles is there. No, that is called interior angle. 4, angle 3, 5, 6. These are interior angle. And 1, 2, 7, 8. That's our exterior angle. Okay. So, here when the two lines are intersecting, they have some angles. No, here 2 and 4 are vertically opposites angle, same like 1 and 3 also vertically opposites angle. Here 6 and 7 also vertically opposites angle, 5 and 8 vertically opposites angle. When two lines are intersecting, angle will formed. That angles are opposite. No, so we call that angle vertically opposite angle. Okay, here four angles are inside, that are called interior angle. 4 and 7 are interior alternative angle, same like 3 and 5 are interior alternative angle. Okay, now I am going to teach first question. First question, if A parallel to B, then angle 1 equal to angle 5. This is given. If in case A parallel to B means we need to find one angle 1 equal to angle 5. How it will become? We find it. If A parallel to B. So check that angle 1 equal to angle 5. Where is angle 1? See here, angle 1 and angle 5. These two angles are corresponding angle. So we know corresponding angle properties. Corresponding angles property is used in the above statement. That's why they have equal measure. Okay, corresponding equals angles are equal. That's why angle 1 and angle 5 is equal. Okay, next question. If angle 4 equal to angle 6, then A parallel to B. See, angle 4 and angle 6. See here, angle 4, angle 6. Okay, these two angles are interior but alternative. No, interior alternative angles are equal. So that's why they given angle 4 equal to angle 6. Here alternative interior angles property is used in the above statement. So A parallel to B. One transversal line intersecting the parallel line. Then so many angles are formed. That angles are some angles, corresponding angles and interior angles, exterior angle, alternative angles. Okay, vertical opposites angles. Okay, next one, third question. If angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180, then angle A parallel to B. We need to find that. See here, angle 4, angle 5. I missed the property. See here, angle 4 and angle 5, same like angle 3 and angle 6. These two are same side angle. Okay, same sides are transversal angle. This is same side transversal angle. So now we are going to use that property. Interior angles on the same of the transversal or supplementary. Here two parallel lines are cut by transversal line. No, angle 4 and angle 5 are pair of interior angles. So we are using that supplementary. Supplementary means already we know sum of two angles equal to 180 degree. So listen here, angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. When we are using that parallel, properties, that two lines are parallel line. So line A parallel to line B. That's it. Next question, in the adjoining figure identify the pair of corresponding angle, the pair of alternative interior angle, the pair of interior angle on the same side of the transversal, the vertically opposite angle. We need to find these angles. Already we know which is corresponding angle, alternative, interior. We will find it now. See here 3 and 5. These are corresponding angles. Same like 2 and 6 corresponding angle. Here 4 and 8 corresponding angle. 3 and 7 corresponding angle. 3, 2, 8, 5 are interior angle. 4, 1, 7, 6 are exterior angle. 3 and 5 are interior alternative. 2 and 8 are interior alternative. Same like here 1 and 3s are vertically opposite, 4 and 2s are vertically opposite. Same like here 8 and 6 are vertically opposite angle and 7 and 5s are vertically opposite angle. So for the first question, the pair of corresponding angle. Corresponding angles means 1 and 5. Angle 1, angle 5 is corresponding. At the same time 2 and 6 corresponding. 4 and 8 corresponding angle. 3 and 7 corresponding angle. See here 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. These are pair of corresponding angle. And the next question, the pair of alternative interior angle. It's interior angle, same time alternative. Okay. So alternative angle means 3 and 5, 2 and 8. See here the pair of alternative interior angle, angle 2 and angle 8, 3, 5. These are pair of alternative interior angle. What is the next question? Next question is the pair of interior angle on the same side. Same side means these two. Okay. So the pair of interior angles on the same side transversal 3 and 8, 2 and 5. These two are same side, no? See here 2 and 5, 3 and 8. Next question. The vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle means like this. These are vertically opposite angle. Okay. The vertically opposite angles are 5, 7, 8, 6, 1, 3, 4, 7. See here 1 and 3 vertically opposite, 4 and 2 vertically opposite, 8 and 6, 8 and 6 vertically opposite, 5 and 7, 5 and 7 vertically opposite. Okay, next question. In the adjoining figure P parallel to Q, find the unknown angle. See here so many unknown angles is there, no? We need to find that unknown angle. One angle given. Okay. At the same time P and Q are parallel line. Okay. In the adjoining figure P and Q parallel line. Okay. Given statement P and Q parallel and it's a transversal line also have, no? See here 125 degree and E. These are same side, sorry, linear pair. Linear pair means one common line will be there, common ray will be there. Okay, next to angle. So these are linear pair. We are using the linear pair property. That's why linear pair means it should be 180 degree. It will be satisfying the supplementary property. Okay. So 125 degree plus E. See here 125 plus E equal to 180 degree. So E you keep left side, 125 will come after equation, it will be changed the minus 125. So 180 minus 125, the answer is E equal to 55 degree. Now we find that angle E. See here angle E and angle F are opposite, no, so vertically opposite. Use the vertically opposite angle. E and F equal. So angle E and F vertical opposites angle. So now angle E equal to angle F. The value is equal to 55 degree. Next, same like angle F and angles E interior, but interior alternative. Use the interior alternative property. Interior alternative property means angle F and angle A is equal. That's why F is 55 already we know. F and A is equal means it should, measurements also it should be equal. So angle F equal to angle A using alternative interior angle. Next one, see here one transversal line is there, no, this is also linear pair, only one common ray is there, no, next two line. So linear pair it also should be 180 degree. 1A angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. That's why I write here angle A plus B equal to 180 degree using linear pair. So already we find it A. What is the A? F 55 degree. F measurement is 55. Same like A also 55. I apply the value here. 55 plus B equal to 180 degree. Keep B left side. 55 will come to that side. It will be changed. Plus 55 minus into minus 55. B equal to, you subtract from 180. What is the answer? 125. We find that B value. Found it, no? B equal to 125. Now, what are the angles we found it? Angle E equal to 55. E and F is equals. Since F also 55. F and A alternative interior angle, that should be equal. That's why A also 55 degree. Now here we found it B also 125 degree. See here A and C, these also vertically opposites, and D and B also vertically opposite. We know that angle A, how much? 55 degree. Same like it should be a 55 degree, no? C also 55 degree, because vertically opposite angles are equal. Use that property. That's why I wrote here A equal to C equal to 55 degree. At the same time B vertically opposite to D, no? So angle B is equal to angle D. These two are vertically opposites. Already we found the value of angle B. How much? 125. Now angle B is equal to angle D. That's why D also 125 degree. We found all the values. See here A equal to 55 degree, B equal to 125 degree, C equal to 55 degree, D and E and F, all the values we found. Just we use the property only, linear pair and vertically opposite, alternative interior angle, again linear pair, vertically opposite angle. That's it, nothing is there. Okay, if you know that properties, we can do it sum. This sum is very easy sum, we can do it. Next sum, fourth one. See here, find the value of x in each of the following figure. If L parallel to M, already they given L parallel to M, we need to find the value of x. See here, these two are parallel, means one transversal line is there, no? So parallel line and transversal line. See here, this is also linear pair, na? These angles are linear per only one common ray. Two next angles, it's a straight line, it should be 180 degree. All the condition is satisfying. So x, here no angle is mentioned. Now I am assuming y. Let us assume the other angle. Here one more angle is there, no, that's why two angles are sum of two angle, it should be 180 degree. So I mentioned here angle y. It's my assumption, we don't know that particular angle how much, that's why my assumption y. Okay, so now I am going to use the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means, see here, these and these are corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are equal measurement. So y also 110. Okay, so that's why I used the value y equal to 110. L and M parallel means T is a transversal line. We know that the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. That's why two adjacent angle means, that's why this is the linear pair. Sum of two adjacent angle, what is that angle? Y and x. X plus y equal to, it should be 180 degree. Okay, so x plus y equal to 180 degree. X we don't know, y value we know, because using the corresponding value we know that y equal to 110. Just you apply that here 110. Okay, angle x equal to 180 minus the plus value will come this side. No, it will be changed in minus value. 180 minus 110, the angle x equal to 70. We found the value 70. Same like we need to find one more question. What is the one more question? They given the diagram, we need to find the x value here. Same property we will use it. See here, L parallel to M and A parallel to B. Using corresponding angle, use the corresponding angle here. These two are corresponding angle. Use the corresponding angle property. The measurements is also equal. So x value should be 100 degree. That's it. Just I am applying the property. I apply here corresponding angles property. Already one angle is given, no, same measurement will come x value, x equal to 110. That's it. Next question, fifth one. What is the fifth one? In the given figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. If angle ABC equal to 70, then find angle DGC and DEF. They given one diagram. See here, ABC, this angle is 70 degree. DEF we need to find, and one more angle DGF. These angles also we need to find. Here two parallel lines and one transversal line is there. No, we will apply that angles, corresponding angles. See here, corresponding angles, what? These and these. Here one angle is there, no, we will find that angle. These two angles are corresponding angle. Apply the corresponding angle property, that measurement also equal. That's why DGC equal to 70 degree. That's it. Just I am applying the corresponding property. Again, what is the next question? Angle DEF. We need to find one more. DEF means this one. Again I am applying corresponding value. See here, these and these two are corresponding angle, because here one angle is there. No, I didn't take this angle, I take this. These two angles are above line angle and above line angle. These two lines are corresponding line. BC and EF, these two are parallel line, and DE is the transversal line. I take this two parallel line and one transversal line. That's why these two are corresponding. Here already we found the value 70. Same like here also 70. See here, angle DEF, angle DEF, this is also 70. Angle DGC, this is also 70. That's it, nothing is there. And Next question, sixth one. What is the sixth one? In the given figure below, decide whether L is parallel to M. That's it. L is parallel to M. We need to find it, no? They given two angle. No, just I'm up. Add these two angle. How many? 126 plus 44. Sum of two angles. Parallel line means it should be in supplementary property. It should be satisfying, no? Supplementary means sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. See, 126 plus 44 degree, 170 degree. It's not a 180 degree. Sum of two angles are not supplementary. That's why L not parallel to M. That's it. Next one, 75 and 75. See, let's take this line, this straight line. Okay, this straight line means it's, if in case it's a parallel line means it should be supplementary condition should be satisfied. What is the supplementary angle? Sum of two angles, it should be 180 degree. Just we find it, these two angles are how much? 75 equal to 75. The total value is 180. It's not equal to 180, 150 only. The sum of two angles is 150. That's why the sum of two angles is not obey the property of parallel line. So L is not parallel to M. That's it. Next one, third question also, they given two angle. Just you take this straight line. It will be 180 degree mean no, that two lines are parallel, but we need to find, if in case it's not equal to 180, it's not a parallel line. 123 degree plus 57, it's equal to 180 degree. So it's satisfying the parallel supplementary angle property. L parallel to M. That's it. Fourth one, they given two angle. No, take this line, N transversal line, you take this. Sum of two angles how much? 170 degree. It's not equal to 180 degree. That's why L is not parallel to M, because sum of two angles it does not obey the property of parallel line. That's it.